Ann from Annalise's Creations. I'm here for the tips or tricks for my creative year. And my tip and trick is for this month, most of our lovely artist teachers are doing book reviews or, some tips or tricks. And I haven't been doing any book reviews lately. I just haven't had time to sit down and read a book yet and do something on it. So this is my tip and trick. I like to take some of the pictures of my artwork and I'll either scan the art onto my computer and then print them out, or I will just print them out from the photograph that I took of my art. And this is one of the daily creative words that I had done. And what I like to do is once I've reprinted them out, I will cut out images from those projects to use in future projects, if you get what I mean. So that way you can reuse some of your art pieces. Like I really like this one here. And so I really like to reuse this image, and it's also a great way of sharing your art. You could send some stuff, or through email instead of having to mail it out, which can get to be expensive. You can just scan your work and then email some of those images to friends and viewers. So that's what I like to do. So I like to kind of come in and just cut out some of the images, some of the other pieces of art, and create and use it in future pieces. So I hope that that's a quick tip and trick, and that you'll go out and scan some of your work and reuse it in your own work again, and somewhere in another piece. So I hope that you enjoyed my little tip or trick, and don't forget to go check out the Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom in the video, in the description box below. I can't speak again as usual. Story of my life. And I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. See you next time. Toodles. Bye.